Hello guys! Yeah, this is different. I'm doing a voiceover and I want to start by wishing you the most amazing new year, of course, and I hope you had an amazing time celebrating it. Today I'm gonna take you to memory lane. To celebrate my awesome 2019, I decided to pick out my top 5 pours and show you them. This painting I think it was my 13th painting on YouTube, and I did here a 12 color pour. And of course, yeah, okay, blow the white over, blow it out. And these colors are amazing. And now I'm seeing it. I'm using red in this one as well. I'm never using red, so maybe I need to start doing that again. Oh, I thought I would blow that with my mouth, but I did it with my blow dryer. Yeah, this painting is a 30 by 30 centimeters and it's 12 by 12 inches. And my neighbor bought it just after I finished it. So it's hanging in his home and I can see it whenever I want to. Torch it, you see all the air bubbles. This lacing, it's insane, and all these colors. Yeah. Okay, cool, I'm gonna do this again. And the next video is gonna be an awesome one, because I decided to do a power pour. And the power pour that was a pour that you guys could decide what I'm gonna do. So this was my first time doing a Dutch pour on a big canvas, and this is, I guess, 24 by 24 inches, and I'm using here, what's that green? It's sort of a fluo green, and I do remember this painting very vividly because I was very nervous doing this. I'm spraying the paint like from these bottles, and these bottles are so clean. I guess I just had them. But okay, yeah, I was so nervous doing this because it was the first time doing it on this big canvas, and I really needed to nail it. And I was a bit bummed out because the camera is not picking up all the colors. So if you see the painting in real life, it's way more vivid and a lot more gradients between the colors. Yeah, okay, more white. I was already thinking, how could I have blown that out? Here I go. Come on. Yeah. Yeah, this one. Yeah, this one is still one of my favorites. I'm really looking at it like this is the first time. It's so long ago, but on the other hand, it's not at all. But it feels like ages ago. What am I doing here? Yeah, okay, there needs to be more color there. Okay, good, I'm doing that. It was still in my old studio, you see that? If you're following me for a while, you know this is my old studio. I was standing in a corner, and it's our bedroom. Okay, torch it, not a lot of things are happening. And there you have it. Perfect composition. I really like. Oh, okay, we're gonna continue. This is my 9-piece, my White and Bright series. So in the beginning of the year, I decided to do a White and Bright series, and if you're following me for a long time, you know I love negative space. And that's what I wanted to create in this. And even I'm using so less color and a very minimal design, I'm using this green again here. Okay, continue. What was I saying? Oh yeah, I found it very difficult to create these small designs in this one, and yeah, I do remember this one because it turned out to be a little angel. I think this must be in the same week as the power pour before this, because I'm literally using the same colors here. Look at that. So gorgeous. Yeah, turn it so I can see it better and blow in the right way. Oh yeah, and what I loved about this one is that the edges are very sharp. Okay, I'm showing it. Probably I'm saying it there too, that I love that part. So where the cells are popping up in the middle, that would be the head, and then the leaves besides it would be the wings. Or I'm seeing it, yeah, here you see it. It's an angel. This was the last one of my White and Bright series, and the last one. Okay. This is going too fast, and I'm really making this base very fast as well. Okay, this is my first, or no, my second triptych, and you saw before that I was using puddles to create the Dutch pour, and in these paintings I'm making a line instead of puddles. This one, by the way, is still hanging in our home. I really love how this one turned out. It's super vibrant. Just the other day I thought, okay, I need to rewatch this, because how I laid the colors, that was perfect. That's one of my favorite colors. That's the primary blue. Yellow, of course. I use yellow a lot in my pours. Some more violet, and I think we're gonna use gold here. I always, by the way, use the gold at the end, because mostly it sinks if you do it in the middle, and if you're using it as last color, then it will pop up way more. Okay, pouring the white around it. Making sure I have enough. And now I probably will start. Oh no, I'll torch it first. So probably I mixed my paints just before I started pouring, and then I have a lot of air bubbles in the white. I don't like that too much, so I will pop them first with the torch. Okay, blow it out. Yeah, that violet red. The violet red was the first color I laid on there, and that's such a beautiful color. It goes so well with every color, by the way. Look at the first one. Okay. I'm always tweaking the design, and mostly with these triptychs, I blow the sides out to the side, because I love how it turns soft. The edges must be soft. What am I doing here? I'm puzzling this triptych together. What's the best composition? Okay, first one in the middle. Lost. Okay, yeah, turn it around. Yeah, this is the way how it's hanging, but this is upside down how you're seeing it right now. Look at that. This one dried so beautiful. Oh, here, this one is recent. Yeah, I love it. It was one of my first split color pours, so I'm splitting the base. And this is deep Prussian blue. Well, Prussian blue is always deep, but it looks black here, but it is Prussian blue. Okay, I'm saying here something. Oh yeah, I decided to pour here in puddles, because lately the puddles were working better for me, and I'm trying to create here 2 eyes. You can see it. Okay, some greens, some blues. Yeah, if you're watching this video, you must know already I love blue. Blue is always good. I'm brushing blue again, and here I go with red violet. Always good. It gives the cool colors a bit more warmth. Some bronze, and of course flood the canvas again with the negative space colors. Look over there and blow over there. Okay, let's go. This is always a great moment when you see the cells pop up if you're blowing the white or the other color over it. It's fun sometimes to rewatch my videos because I forget a lot. I just make the video and upload it and never rewatch it again. But this one, yeah, it's fresh, it's fresh. I'm gonna turn it and fix a bit on the top, because I found that the cells there were a bit messy, and like I said in the other video, I really love soft edges, so that the contrast is really in the middle and that it flows soft to the sides or to the top or the bottom. And maybe you can see it when I do the close-up of this one when it's dry, because when I look at it now, because I still have it in my studio, it's not sold yet, it looks like an eagle flying. Yeah, this one is, it's a favorite. Okay, some hair is in there. Torch it, of course. Yeah, okay, that's the part I want to scrape off, like I told. Yes, take it off. Come on already. Okay, I'm gonna take that part off. Prussian blue is so beautiful. I just recently discovered that color for real. But yeah, you have moments in the year, or what I had in last year, is that I loved yellow, and then I stopped using yellow for a month, and then I use another color a lot, and that's then my favorite, and then I come back and see, why am I not using yellow anymore? Or yeah, like in the first painting with the 12 colors, why am I not using red at all? I don't even know if I have red in the studio. Yeah, that's a goal for the new year, using more red. But don't ask me to try orange a lot, because I always have trouble with it. Oh, I'm showing it from the other side. Okay, so if the Prussian blue is on the bottom, then it really looks like an eagle. Well, too bad. Hey guys, this was my top 5 of 2019. So this was my last pour to show you guys. I hope you enjoyed it, and of course subscribe to my channel if you like my videos, and I'll see you next video.